guys, so today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. We are officially halfway through July, almost, kind of, right? My hair is looking a hot mess, look at this. Oh my gosh. And it is extremely early right now and I am so tired, but we are gonna film this video. And I don't have any makeup on my face right now, I just have my eyebrows on. Because the first thing in the box is a skincare item, but obviously I'm getting ahead of myself because this is the little card in the box. The theme is road tripping. You have all the products right here. And this is the first thing in the box. So this is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. And I thought I would just like plop it on right now on camera. It says to apply it after your eye moisturizer. You warm a little tiny amount in between your fingers and gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. Oh, it's orange. I did not expect that. Does this like color correct as well? Oh, it's kind of tacky. It's actually really tacky, like it feels sticky. By the way, I'm like losing my voice. Story of my life. That feels strange. I don't know how to explain it. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. And it says, by the way, that you can apply this underneath your makeup. This feels very weird. It says it's for all skin types. It doesn't feel dry, it just feels kind of like tight. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, that feeling is like slowly going away, but I don't know what that's supposed to do. It like feels strange, but I don't see anything happening. Did it depuff? I'm not sure. Maybe? I don't know. I'm gonna keep using it though because I really do like Dr. Brandt's skincare. Maybe I have to use this a couple times to like notice a difference. Really quickly, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some makeup and I'll be back to test out the rest of the products. Okay, so I forgot to tell you this before I went to finish up my makeup, but this is a full-size product, obviously, and this retails for $42. So that's really exciting. I didn't notice my under eye concealer go on any differently. I don't know if that really depuffed my eyes. I guess I really wasn't paying attention that much, or I just don't notice. I don't know. Okay, so next thing in the box is really interesting. This is from the brand Chella Beauty. We used to get these in Ipsy bags all the time, this brand. And this is their eyebrow cream in Tantalizing Taupe. And I actually used to have this product because it came in an Ipsy bag once. But it's pretty much just like a brow pomade. You have the cream here on the bottom and then you have a little brush on this side, and I didn't really like it. It was okay, but I did end up giving it away. I am very much an eyebrow pencil kind of girl, and this was just like too much for me. Whoa, that just made this brow extra dark. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I just made that so dark. It's okay, we will balance it out. I don't know, it's nice, the color's nice. This type of product is just like not my thing, you know? But I can totally see this working for a bunch of people. And the color is pretty universal. It's just very dark, so I would say go in with a very light hand. My brows look crazy. And you can tell I haven't done them in a while because the longer I wait to do them, the thicker they get every time I fill them in. Like I have caterpillars on my face right now, but that's okay. Okay, so the next thing in the box is an eyeshadow palette. This is from the from the brand Crown, and this is their Fuego eyeshadow palette. And oh, by the way, forgot to tell you guys again, this is a full-size product and it retails for $26. This is also a full-size eyeshadow and this retails for $29. And this is what it looks like. It's like black packaging, nice and matte, and these are the eyeshadows on the inside. They're a lot bigger than like a typical eyeshadow size, but the colors are really pretty just by looking at them. They're like reddish browns, rosy tones. I like that we have a light shade and a deep shade. Like, it's cohesive. I like it. Let's try it out on the eyes. Okay, so I just did a simple like reddish cranberry eye using the palette and it was pretty good. You do have to build the colors up a little bit, but everything blended out really nicely. I didn't have any issues, except I did notice that the shimmer shade that I put all over my lid, it was really intense and really nice, but I can tell it's the type of eyeshadow that isn't gonna last too long, because when I tried to blend it out in the crease to take away like the harsh lines, I noticed that it was really just fading off on my lid. Like it wasn't really sticking to my lid. So these shimmer shadows are a little bit softer than I'm used to, but I really like the look. I like how it turned out, and I think it's pretty good. I mean, you get like really big eyeshadows. Can't complain. Can't complain. Okay, next thing in the box is actually a mascara, which is awesome because I need to pop on some mascara right now. This is from the brand Wander Beauty, and I actually have this mascara. This is the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. It retails for $24. This is full size, and I do have this, but I have no idea where I put it. When I was looking through my Boxycharm earlier today, I went to look for this and it was nowhere to be found, but I'm pretty sure I got rid of it. It's not that I lost it. I definitely gave it away. I'm assuming it's because I didn't like it, but honestly, I don't even remember. So oh, wait, I'm getting flashbacks. This little curvy wand. I just don't remember how I feel about it. So let's go in. Okay, so this is what the mascara looks like. I actually really like it. I don't know why I gave it away. You know what I think it was? It did take a while for me to build it. At first, when I started applying it, I was like, ugh, it's pretty thin. So it does take some building, but I think it did give me some nice feathery lashes. Like they look nice and wispy. It looks like I have a lot of lashes. It's not super volumizing or lengthening, but I like it. Like I don't hate it. I think it looks like flirty and fluttery. I don't know if I would personally go out and purchase this myself because it is $24 and it's not my favorite. I have a bunch of drugstore mascaras I like more, but I like it. Okay, and then the last thing in the box is this guy. This is from a brand called Note. I think they sell this at Ulta. This is their Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Let's see what color it is. Exactly what I was hoping for. I actually thought it was gonna be like a pink for some reason, but I'm glad it's like a beige. It's like a coral beige. Oh yeah, I'm excited. This looks really pigmented though. I like it, I like it. Very pretty, perfect for summer. I really like it actually. It's matte, but it's not like a flat matte. It looks like juicy kind of. I really like it. That is a really, really pretty color. And this is, oh, it's in the shade Desert Rose. And this is a full-size product and it retails for $11.99, which is good. It's not too pricey. And I think it looks really, really pretty. Okay guys, so that completes this video. Those were all the products I got in this month's Boxycharm. After adding everything up, the overall value of the box was over $130, which is amazing. I'm gonna leave the Boxycharm website down below like I always do. But let me know what you guys got in your box this month. Did you love it? Did you hate it? Did we get the exact same things? Because sometimes I feel like every single person gets the exact same box, but sometimes we don't. Sometimes there's like 2 different boxes going around. So did you like your box? What did you get? My favorite thing, I really like the blush a lot, and I'm really interested about that Dr. Brandt product. Like I'm really intrigued by it. I really need to keep using it. But anyway, that completes this video guys. I love you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. But the colors are really pretty. But the colors are really you know what? Why can't I talk? But the colors are really pretty. Why can't I say this sentence?